Alright, so for my update on my cattle trailer welding project today, what I got accomplished was I used the oxyacetylene torch right here to cut off what straight piece we had, this flat bar I found yesterday at my grandmother's farm. And so we cut a piece of flat bar, and as you can see I got it all welded in across the top of that angle iron I put in. The reason I put this flat bar in on top of this like this was because the wall where it was rusted, the metal was pitted out a little bit, and then plus right in here somewhere, yeah, I think it was about right in there, the rust was actually up higher, like the rust holes was up higher than the angle iron was, and so I was having to, cover up all that too. And so basically this just allows the wall to have another smooth look to it again, and then just cover up all that rust holes and everything. And I may go ahead and put some down this wall too, I'm not sure. And so I do have some more angle iron, flat bar ordered. Should be in early next week. And it's actually 3-inch wide, same size as that piece right there. And it's a 1/4 inch thick, and so, but that wasn't a 1/4 inch thick. I don't know how big it was, and it was just thin stuff. And of course, I did also fix where the gate right here was broken at. Somehow the weld on it had split right there, and so I managed to weld it back up in place. And today I was using 6011 rods, and I was set to 75 amps, and so that's pretty much what I've got accomplished today. And also we did plan on, when I get that 1/4 inch flat bar in, what I'm going to do is, since there's that gap that you can see right there, we are going to actually slide the flat bar up underneath it like that, and I'm going to weld that in, and then hopefully I can take this other big piece of angle iron I've got, yeah, it's right here underneath me, take that last piece of angle iron and then run it in along this wall right here and cover up all that. And so that's the plan for that. And then the rest of this will probably just be flat bar on the bottom and the edge of the wall right there, and then same for that side. So that's pretty much it on my welding update for today. On the outside of the wall, where I was trying to patch up where I had to cut the wall out to get, if I can say this right, to get the wall cut back to where it was good solid metal, I was using yesterday a 3/32 7018 rod, and needless to say, as I said in my part 3 video description, I said I'm a better welder than having a bunch of spotty welds and look like crap and stuff like that. Well, I did actually use the 6011 rods right there today, and I used them on that side, and that worked a whole lot better. And so, yeah, see, I'll go around here and show you what I did on that side. But that's pretty much what I got accomplished. And so, and also we did rig up a system to get the welder out here in the shop now, so I'm not having to weld out in the sun out there. So that is a good thing. So, well, you kind of can't see the grass, but I did see I've got kind of, they're sort of tacks, but a little bit along there. And that's really about the only way it was going to hold, because that metal was still so thin it was wanting to eat it away, still burn it away. Even set to 75 amps, it was still melting away all that bad metal. And so I just did the best I could with it, and so that's pretty much all I got accomplished. And so also we are gonna get rid of the old gooseneck branch sticker right there, and then finish getting off what there is of that. And as you can see, that heat from the stick back there already makes it come off a little bit. But And then also we're going to have to figure out something to do to cover up right there where, yeah, that's wall metal, where that wall metal is rusted through right there, and just also find a way to fill in that gap. But that's just some small stuff here and there. I'm not too worried about fixing all that right at the moment. I'm just trying to get as much as I could done on the bigger welding for this week, because probably for the next 2 weeks my videos are going to be little to none and everything, just because I won't have time to come over here and work on it. And so that's about all I got done for today. I literally been working on that flat bar all day, because, you know, those of you that know much about welding, it's kind of a slow process and stuff like that. You can't really do a quick job on it. And so that's the plan. And so I guess I will make another update when I can. And there's my beautiful 79. Been parking in the shed right here. Just because I don't have air conditioning yet, it keeps it cooler parked in the shade right here. But that's my update on my trailer. And so I'll try to make another update video when I can, when I have a chance to come back out here to the farm and work on it some more. And so I guess until I get another video up, y'all can comment, rate, and subscribe on this, and I will try to get another video as soon as I can.